Hey guys, I'm over here today at the Pop Century Resort. I'm hitting all the smaller pools. We've already hit the big one, now we're getting all the small ones just because of everybody wanting us to get them. This is the bowling pin pool. So if you guys are coming in here and you're looking for this one is going to be over in the bowling pin section. You can see it up on top of the building there. You come in here, you've got the jukebox in the background, and you've got this big pool here shaped like a big bowling pin. It's a plain pool, it's simple, but as you guys can tell, not a lot of people are in there, which is nice. So if you do want to swim, you don't want all the drama of the big pool, come on over here. This is a good opportunity to get some swimming in and have some fun. There are more pools on this property over here, guys, so keep your eyes peeled. We'll look around for you here. Basic bowling pin pool, but yet it's got a lot to offer because it gives you the ability to do some swimming and not worry about banging into everybody. And there are 3 of these small pools and 1 big pool on property here. I like the jukebox, that's really cool. Here's another angle of this place from the backside here. So if you guys aren't familiar with the Pop Century pools, there are 3 smaller ones. This is the bowling pin one set over in the bowling pin section. Each section has its own, and then the big one is right in the back, just like the Art of Animation. They've got the same setup there. So if you guys get over here, definitely walk over here, take a peek at this. You've got Lady and the Tramp there. That's how you know where you're at. So they got the doghouse right there. But this is one of the pools over here at Pop Century, and we're gonna get the rest of them out there for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed.